Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your Wi-Fi problem in Vivo smartphone. If your Wi-Fi is not connecting to any other devices or anything, how you can fix this problem. If you have just open the Wi-Fi option, and here it is, you can just tap the QR code and scan it for Wi-Fi. Or if it is not working, there is an error is showing, how you can just solve it. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it and like our video. So let's start. Open settings option, and here you can see, swipe down, you can see there is a system, and here is a reset option. Click on reset option, and here is a option reset Wi-Fi. Just click on it, and here it is reset setting. Make your own password which you have on lock screen. Make a password, and then you have to just click on reset settings, and here it is resetted, and now it is done. And it is, if it is not working, then you have to just reset your phone. Your problem will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.